Welcome to Ebas Gallery. In the second generation of the Audi RS5 Coupe, Audi Sport is presenting its first model to feature the current RS design idiom. Its all-new 2.9 TFSI bi-turbo engine produces 331 kilowatts, 450 HP, and delivers 600 Nm, 442.5 lb-ft, of torque. The standard quattro drive distributes the power to all four wheels. The new Audi RS5 Coupe is the Gran Turismo among the RS models from Audi Sport. The high-performance coupe combines elegant aesthetics with high everyday usability. The car's V6 bi-turbo has been developed from the ground up and provides significantly more performance coupled with higher efficiency, said Stephan Winkelmann, CEO of Audi Sport GmbH, in describing the new model. The designers drew inspiration for the RS5 Coupe from the distinctive racing details of the Audi 90 Quattro IMSA. Massive air inlets with the honeycomb structure typical of RS models characterize the front end of the car. The single-frame radiator grille is much wider and flatter than in the base model. Next to the headlights are additional lateral air intakes and outlets. Tinted bezels differentiate the optional matrix LED headlights. Quattro blisters on the flanks emphasize the pronounced bulges over the wheel arches, which have been widened by 15 mm, 0.6 in. As standard, these house 19-inch forged aluminum wheels, with 20-inch wheels available as an option. A sporty conclusion to the vehicle is provided by the RS-specific diffuser insert, the oval tail pipes of the RS exhaust system and a surface-mounted spoiler lip. With a length of 4,723 mm, 185.9 in, the new Audi RS5 Coupe is 74 mm, 2.9 in, longer than the previous model. The new RS5 Coupe draws up to the start line with a comprehensive range of standard equipment, including, among other things, LED headlights and LED rear lights, RS Sport suspension, 19-inch aluminum forged wheels, RS exhaust system and the Audi Drive Select dynamic handling system. Ensuring a sporty air in the dark interior are the RS Sport seats in a leather Alcantara mix with rhombus pattern and lumbar support, as well as a flat-bottomed RS multifunction sport leather steering wheel and stainless steel pedals. At the same time, RS5 drivers benefit from a comfortable ride thanks to climate control, MMI Radio Plus with 7-inch color display, Bluetooth, belt feeds in conjunction with seat belt height adjustment and adjustable speed limiter. Completing the rich offer of standard equipment are the assistance systems Audi Presense City, Audi Side Assist, Parking System Plus, Multi-Collision Brake Assist and the Audi Connect Safety and Service Package including vehicle control.